Rebuilding self-esteem after a major failure or public setback. Experiencing a major failure, especially when it feels like everyone is watching, is one of the most bruising things that can happen to your self-esteem. It makes you want to shrink, hide, and never try again. Rebuilding from this point isn't about pretending the setback didn't happen. It is about realizing that your worth was never tied to your success in the first place. Read this if you're currently recovering from a public failure. Your worst mistake is not your identity. How to stand up when everyone watched you fall. There is a specific kind of pain that comes when you fail, and it feels like everyone is watching. Your immediate instinct is to hide. You want to shrink, apologize for existing, and promise yourself you'll never take a risk again. You feel like the setback defined you. But here is the truth you need to hear today. The people who are judging you from the sidelines aren't the ones playing the game. It is incredibly easy to criticize from the safety of the stands. It is incredibly brave to step into the arena and risk falling on your face. Your self-esteem shouldn't come from a flawless record. It should come from your willingness to get dusty, get bruised, and still stand back up. This setback didn't ruin your story. It just gave you the most powerful plot point. Wipe the dust off your face. The crowd will find something else to talk about tomorrow, but the resilience you build today is yours forever. What to do when your confidence takes a massive hit. 1. Separate your identity from your event. There is a massive, life-saving difference between saying, "I failed," and "I am a failure." The first is an event that happened in time. The second is an identity you're choosing to adopt. Keep them strictly separate. You are the scientist. The project was just an experiment that didn't work. 2. Remember the spotlight effect. When we fail publicly, we feel like everyone is staring at us 24/7. In reality, people are deeply consumed by their own lives, bills, and insecurities. They will think about your setback for 5 minutes and then go back to worrying about themselves. You are freer than you think. 3. Treat the failure as expensive data. Instead of viewing the setback as a punishment, treat it as a masterclass. What did it teach you about your boundaries, your trust, your preparation, or your strategy? The tuition was incredibly high, so make sure you actually keep the lessons you paid for. 4. Rebuild your trust in silence. Don't try to make a massive, loud comeback to prove something to the doubters. Rebuild your self-esteem through tiny, private promises to yourself. Wake up on time, do a small workout, work on your craft for 20 minutes. Keeping small promises to yourself is how self-trust is rebuilt. The bravest thing you can do is continue to believe in yourself when the evidence suggests you shouldn't. Drop a heart if you're rebuilding today. Save this for the days you feel like shrinking. You are still in the game.